Y'all, let me tell y'all. Hey, y'all, hey. It's Candy. Let me tell y'all how there's this YouTuber, okay? This girl be lying, talking about she about to release videos. They never come out on time. She ain't never on time. She's so ghetto. Listen, somebody buy this lady a watch. Somebody buy... This YouTuber ain't shit. I'm about to unsubscribe from her because she always got me talking about... I be up here looking for the video. It's like, girl, is the video coming out? You said the video was coming out yesterday. I need to stop lying on YouTube. See, let me tell you what be happening. If I say I'm going to put the video out, lo and behold, some shit happens in my life that prevents me from doing the voiceover or whatever I need to do. Now, when I don't say nothing, I got the time, okay? And I be wanting to connect. I be wanting to, use my community feed and let y'all know, But I'm about to be like some of the other girls. Girl, you get it when you get it. I'm trying, but every time, YouTube makes me a liar. I never get the video out on time. I don't know what's going on. And then here come Natasha, calling management, talking about Candy. Let me tell you how she low key, y'all. The fuck. Girl, do you want to be a YouTuber or not? Do you want to YouTube or not? I want to YouTube. God, they're about to kick me all out the algorithm. Let me tell you how my good Judy, she know who she is. Let me tell you how she low-key shaded me and why it was so cute. And I was like, she's so right. But get you some friends to tell you the truth. So we was like talking about YouTube, and she was like, when you first started YouTube, you was posting like every day. You was posting like all the time. And, I was like, girl, because I was depressed. My goddamn life was falling apart. I ain't had nothing but time to record. Let me do some nails, but let me tell you what. Let me tell you how God is so good. God gave me some relief, honey. God gave me some relief. And I said, well, let me tell you. If you've ever been through the storm, then you know when things chill out and they're good, you enjoy those moments, okay? You enjoy it. I was so good, I almost said I was happy out loud, but I know how life works. And as soon as you say you happy, some tragic shit, something will happen. So you know how you be like, nothing's wrong. I don't really got nothing to complain about. Everything is good. That's where I was at. And I was kind of like, life was life, and I was busy. But I wasn't as driven by my madness to create. And so when I would sit down to do nails, I hated every single set of nails that I had done. Every single one. I have to be honest. I was like, all these nails are trash. I'm still gonna put the sets out because Tasha said I'm slacking. And I hear you, girl. I hear you. But I just didn't like them. Like I was like, crazy makes great art. Joy does not make great art. It's like Mary J. Blige. I say this all the time. Musical artists make the best music when their lives are falling apart. Once your shit gets together, it's like, girl, where is the pain and the suffering in your nails? Where's the blood? Where's the struggle? Shit. That's what my nails be needing, girl. That's what I really get. I really get Miss Jackson if you nasty. When shit is going all right, I'm over here French tipping. Little light polish or something, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm over here like, girl, nails. I'm going to do them. Then I go do them, and it'll be like the same exact set. And I'm like, I'm not going to put out 3 videos. It's the same set in a different color. They're going to figure it out. I mean, if I want to talk to y'all, yeah. But I was like, they're going to figure it out. What the hell is she doing over there? Is she good? Yeah, I'm good. That's the goddamn problem. And now my nails are trash. But now... Devil, don't you come your ass over here. We're going to have to compromise YouTube. Okay? Now, I am thoroughly back motivated, all right? For different reasons. Okay? I'm back on schedule. I'm putting out 2 videos today. I'm sitting in this hot ass car so I can do these voiceovers so that y'all can get 2 videos today. I'm not even lying about it. I'm dead ass gonna put them out. Okay, because I'm so behind. Like I'm admitting it. I am admitting that I came up here, punched you guys in the stomach with a bang, boom, 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 and then went in the house and just chilled. I am a Cancer, okay? A July Cancer. We're like that. One day we are intensely, like we in your skin. We're so annoying, like that's the closet for. We're so there, you be like, damn, I wish they'd leave me alone. And then we go in our shell and haul ass, and you're like, are they alive? Yes, we're fine. I've had enough interaction, and now I need to go into my shell and retreat and recharge and do what I want to do. And not have to answer to anybody. And then I'm going to come back out the shell and claw on you for dear life because now I need attention. That's how that works. Like, I'm not lying to you about this, okay? Like, I'm just trying to inform and keep you informed of what's been happening. Also, I've started watching Duck Dynasty. When was somebody going to tell me about this? Nobody told me this show was this damn good. No one said, hey, have you seen Duck Dynasty? Is it because I'm black? Is it because I'm black? It's fine. Black friends, is it because I'm black that you didn't tell me about it? Because I know y'all over there watching it. Because I discovered in watching Duck Dynasty, because they like to call, is this video about nails? Is it about? Let me take a sip, child. This video is supposed to be about some damn nails. Girl, let me tell you about Duck Dynasty. So, because this is what a real nail appointment is like. Tony Child don't be talking about, oh, y'all, I'm about to put this here, and I'm about to turn this here. Tony Child be like, you up today? You got boyfriend? You want French tip? He do shit like that. Like, come on now. We're having a good time. Don't ruin it. So, I'm over here, if you don't know the goodness and joy of Duck Dynasty. And they refer to themselves a lot as rednecks. And I'm going to tell you, I'm a Southern girl. It's so, not shocking, but it's so random how people think we're so different, but we're so much alike. Like, a lot of, I don't want to say redneck because I'm not. I feel like that might be like the N word, you know, but that's what they say on the show. I don't know. Ain't he allow it? Okay. Jeff Foxworthy and them, you know what I'm talking about. They do a lot of the same stuff that me and my black people do. I be like, oh, okay, we eat Sunday dinner. We be praying. Okay. Your grandma don't want to move out of her house no matter how much money that's all. We're all the same. You can have $10 million. Your grandma will not move out the house. No, she would stay in her shack. This is my house and I will not move. That is Duck Dynasty. It's a little bit controversial, I think, because of the patriarch. He said some things. But again, if you have old relatives, they always saying something inappropriate. Anybody over like 70, I feel like this, you need to give them people a pass because they're not changing, okay? They're of a different set of people. And so we're not going to hold them to the same standards. That's just me because, you know, I got some relatives and they be saying shit. And I'm like, you know what? If they ever catch you, they're going to cut all your checks off. Like, in fact, let me get away from you before somebody think I'm a man with the same shit and you just old and just don't know. You can't say that. You can't say that. I be telling my granddaddy all the time, you can't say that. And my granddaddy mouth is horrible and I love it. He don't care. He's 80-some years old. He don't be caring. We be in Camden's. He be like, where the fish with the bones at? Granddad, you can't ask these people. They don't even know. They make like $3 an hour. And then he'll give them a lecture on fish. Okay, dude. Okay, sir. When you get that old, God willing, God get that old, you're not about to correct me. Anyway, as this conversation has gone off the deep end, stick with it, okay? Hold on, let me take a sip. Today I'm having a good conversation. I've been watching Duck Dynasty. He always makes me like, gee, thanks. Anyway, the show is just really, really good. It's just very Southern. And if you're a Southern person, we hunt, we be in the woods, We do random things around our houses. Like, it's so Southern, and I love it. You get a good meal at the end of the day. Like, it's one of those shows that's like, it's not really flashy, but it sticks to like the basic goodness of life. A good meal, your family, some spiritual peace. You know what I'm saying? Finding you a little spot on this earth to call your own. And I've been over here binge watching the hell out of them. And My Big Fat Gypsy Wedding. And then I binge watched my Gypsy, what is it? Gypsy Sisters? They call themselves Gypsy. I don't know. I don't know if it's inappropriate. Let me know in the chat. But that's what the name of the show is. In love with it. In love with it. I'm over here like, can I do gypsy nails? Or is that like, I don't know, because they like bling. It's like what I love about certain TV shows is if you really just sit down and look at it, you'll be like, my family does the same thing. We're so much alike when we think we are so different. We're all living the same damn life in different locations, different houses, different neighborhoods. But who don't got a grandma or an aunt or somebody's house you like to go over for a good meal when it's family time? Everybody piles over there. You know, you don't got to be dressed up. You can just go in your sweats and you play family games, and you see the kids and grandma's trying to give out life lessons, and your uncle's over there trying to give out life lessons, and somebody's over here getting their hair cut because they such and such does this for a living. Like, it's I love that about being, I guess, human. Like, sometimes you can just really just enjoy life at the most basic level, and that's what I've been doing. You got time to worry about having the biggest house. You got time to worry about having the nicest car and making the most money and even having the nice nails. But when you get time to love on your kids, have a good meal, get a good night's rest, sit in your yard, or just be with your family, just something real simple and basic, enjoy that shit. You don't got to pull out your phone. You don't got to call your friend, hey girl, guess what I'm doing? You don't got to take a picture and prove it to anybody that you're having a good time. Enjoying the simple goodness of life. And sometimes that might distract you from social media and YouTube. Because you're going to realize when you're having a good damn time, the last thing you're going to want to do is pull out a camera and enjoy and show other people. Learn to be present and live in the moment. Yes, it would be great that I could pound those videos out while the iron was hot. But when God gave me peace and joy, I made sure that I took the time to appreciate it and to stand present in those moments. If that meant I just had to stay to myself for a week or so, I'm sorry, guys. But I'm not going anywhere. Winter's coming and we are going to be in the house depressed again. So don't you worry, season of depression's on the way. But I got to get out of here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these nails. I got to get on to my next voiceover. These are the nails outside that I didn't tell you anything about. Okay? I got a bling video. It's definitely coming, and it's definitely in detail, and I will stay on focus. But other than that, I hope you got something from this, and I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.